Hello everyone, welcome back to our fourth or fifth video on Excel. In our previous tutorial, we treated how to format a text, or we started how to deal with formatting a text within your Excel. We've seen how to add a column, a row at the top, or column to the right or to the left. So today we are going to treat something with respect to the adding the row or column using a different method. In our last video, we said when you want to add a column before department tell column, you right click and click just insert. It will insert a column. I just did Ctrl Z to reverse. The same thing, you can do that after you highlight a column. You go to the cells area, you click on insert, you insert a sheet column. It will add a column to your work. But if you want to add a row, instead of right clicking and inserting a row, you can also go to the same place. After highlighting the entire row, you click on insert, you insert a sheet row. This will add a row. But accidentally, if you click on one cell, you go ahead and click that insert. When you click just insert a cell, it will add a cell to your work. But it will ask you whether to shift the subsequent cells down, right, or you want to insert an entire row or an entire column. If you select shift next to the right, so if you select a cell, if you select shift cells right, it will shift everything, all your work to the right, one cell at a time. But if you click on just insert a cell and you select shift cells down, only the serialization will be shifted down. If you see, creating an empty space here. Let me do undo, Ctrl Z. When you select insert cell again, when you change it to entire row, it will insert an entire row to this one. And when you select entire column, it will insert an entire column to the left. So this is how to make use of this one. And to delete a column, you right click on that column and select delete. Ctrl Z to bring it back. And to delete a column, you can go to the home tab again. You go to the delete icon. You select delete cell. Delete cells will delete only a cell. But delete sheet column will delete the entire sheet column. Delete sheet will delete this entire sheet we are working on. So let me attempt to delete a column. Can you see? So let me undo so that I will bring my column back. So this is how to delete a column, or a row, or how to insert a column or a row using second method. Similarly, when you use this format, it will allow you to format your Excel, especially the cells. This row height, if you click on it and you increase the number, it will increase the height of your column. Can you see? You Ctrl Z, and if you click on this format, you select fit row height. It will automatically fit the height of your column. If you select column width, it will ask you to provide the width of the column. By providing the width of the column, it will increase the width of that column, column. But if you want to auto fit, automatically if you use auto fit column width, it will fit the column width automatically. Then followed by this format table. So imagine our table is not well formatted like this one. Let me highlight all this one. Let me clear all the formatting. To clear all the formatting, you clear this one and you select clear formatting. It will remove all the formatting. So now we want to apply table formatting. You just click format table. You select any format that you want. The moment you click, it will ask you, is this the dimension you want? Yes, this is the dimension we want. Can you see? So you can change it to different color based on what you want. So this is how to format a table using this format as table icon, and you can go to a different template or design, from light template to medium template and to a darker template to suit your work. Next thing we are going to look at is how to do find and replace. When we go to the find and replace, when you click find, it will ask you to find something. Let's assume we want to find Nora. We have Nora Bello here. So when you click find Nora, whether you the capital letter, small letter, it will find that particular cell. So you can see it has found our record that contains Nora Bello. But if we are to click on options and click match keys, that means you are referring to match the entire keys as everything alphabetically. We have Nora in small letter, but we don't have Nora in small letter. So if you try to find it, it says that you cannot find Nora in small letter, even though we have Nora in capital letter. The next option is match the entire cell content. This one will allow you to search the entire Excel and try to locate where we have only Nora as the content of that particular cell. We don't have any cell that contains only Nora also, so it cannot find it. But if you remove this one, you are saying, yeah, find me if there is any cell that contains part of the cell contained has Nora. Yes, this will find it, and you can search within the sheet. You can search within the entire workbook, meaning entire workbook. Like we have seen, we have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. So if the content is not on sheet 1, it will go to sheet 2, look for it. It's not there, it will go to sheet 3, sheet 4, up to the last sheet. So this is how to find something. And to replace, we click on the replace area. Let's say we are looking for Nora and we want to replace that Nora with Ibrahim. So we just click on replace. The moment you click on replace, it will try to find one area where we have Nora, and it will replace that. Or let me select a word, Muhammad, where we have multiple entries for Muhammad on line 3 or serial number 3 and serial number 4. So when you click replace, it will try to replace it, but it couldn't find it. So you have to find it first. So now find Muhammad. It's able to find the first Muhammad, you say replace. It's to go to the next Muhammad, you click replace. This is how to do it. You replace it one at a time. Let me use Control Z to bring my record back. So now, if you want to do find and replace for all the entries at once, you just click on replace all. So it will tell you that all done, we make only 2 replacement. So this is, it will tell you the number of replacement that the Excel did. So this is how to find and replace a content within your Excel. To do find also, you can use Control F from your keyboard. It will allow you to bring the find and replace dialog box, so that you type whatever you want to type and you search whatever you want to search. If we go back to that particular find and replace, we can go, there is a place that say go to. If you click on that go to, the go to will ask you to put a cell reference. That is the location where you want to go. If you remember, within Excel we have columns and rows. So if you say let's go to G65, the moment we click enter, it will take us to G55. Can you see it? Column G, row 55. If I click on that place or Control G also, it will take me to, it will bring that go to dialog box. When we click, it will take me back to my new location C7 as indicated on the area. So we have seen how to do find and how to do go to, and also how to and we have seen how to clear a formatting within a particular text, a text that you have already formatted. So you can clear the formatting. You can also delete a column or a cell. That is also area where you can delete a sheet row, a sheet column, a table row, or you can insert a row, a cell, a column, and also how to format a table, and similarly how to format a column or a row, or you use AutoFeed or any among this one. So I would like to stop here. In our next tutorial, we'll look at formula, how can we use formula to automate some data analysis or to help us do some little calculation or things like that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos as they are added.